Whirlpool presents the scratch-resistant and stylish NEOFRESH glass door refrigerator, a perfect fit for modern homes. It comes in multiple colors and capacities. This refrigerator is packed with advanced technologies which give up to 12 days of garden freshness. Its sixth sense deep freeze technology prevents cold air from escaping, even when the freezer door is opened. And its microblock technology prevents up to 99% of bacterial growth in your fruits and vegetables. The Fresh Flow Air Tower with flexi vents circulates fresh air into different sections of the refrigerator, providing uniform cooling and long-lasting freshness. The effective anti-odor action of the active deo ensures that different odors don't mix with each other. And the vegetable crisper with honeycomb moisture lock-in technology maintains optimum moisture in your vegetables. Its chilling gel helps retain cooling during power cuts and prevents ice from melting and food from spoiling. The Whirlpool NEOFRESH glass door refrigerator operates in high fluctuation of voltage and does not require a separate stabilizer. This refrigerator comes with a 2-star rating and 10-year warranty on the compressor. Now get the Whirlpool NEOFRESH range using various hassle-free payment methods and add style to your everyday life.
A refrigerator that does more than it looks.
Presenting Amazon Basics 305 liters frost-free double-door refrigerator in the color Shining Silver. This refrigerator has a gross capacity of 305 liters and comes with a vegetable crisper of 35 liters capacity with automatic humidity control to keep vegetables fresh. It is also equipped with 5 toughened glass shelves for added durability and also comes with an antibacterial deodorizer to keep the cooling compartment fresh and odor-free. This refrigerator has 3-star BEE rating. This Amazon Basics refrigerator comes with durable, energy-efficient inverter compressor technology for energy savings. This refrigerator features uniform and even cooling technology which circulates cool air from the rear panel to the sides for effective cooling. It also features a metallic glossy silver finish, twist and release ice cube tray, LED light inside the compartment, electronic thermostat and a 160 cm cable. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. You can schedule the delivery as per your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installation within 48 hours of delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.
The smart way to keep your food fresh longer. Samsung Convertible 3-in-1 Refrigerator. It comes in 10 different colorways: Elegant Inox, Refined Inox, Pebble Blue, Saffron Red, Luxe Brown, Camellia Purple, Camellia Blue, Wave Inox, Wave Blue, and Real Stainless. It is available in 253 liter and 275 liter. And it is 2-star and 3-star rated for energy saving. It features Convertible 3-in-1, Power Cool Freeze, and Digital Inverter. Convertible 3-in-1 includes 3 different modes, which are convertible, with a simple touch of a button, to suit your specific needs. Enjoy the ultimate, inflexible storage to suit your changing needs. You can easily convert the freezer into a fridge, so there's plenty of room for the fresh food you need for different seasons or occasions. Just activate Power Cool, and the refrigerator becomes a chilling zone instantly. At just the push of a button, Power Freeze ensures you'll have ice cubes anytime. It's Power Cool, and Power Freeze rapidly delivers cold air to fast cool, or freeze on demand. At the touch of a button, Power Cool quickly chills food and drinks, while Power Freeze is great for firming up frozen food and making ice. Our digital inverter compressor runs at 7 different speeds for various situations. Smart technology that changes your life. We design your home of everyday life. Samsung Convertible 3-in-1 Refrigerator.